What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute or two. If you're new here, my name's Matt. I own a laser engraving and apparel business out of my garage. I built it in my basement, moved up to my garage, and now I'm just growing out of this space and I need a bigger space, but all in due time. So this video is about Omni, the Omni UV laser and the Omni X. So I wanted to talk, I'm getting a lot of questions about it, so this is going to be all about the Omni X. Now I'm getting a ton of questions on it, and as you can see, it's not on display. So for me, where my business is, I didn't see a fit for it. I thought there'd be a lot more, and I was super excited for it, but I think they dropped the ball on some things. The Omni X, I can't get as much field range as I can with this, is a working area is what I'm talking about, and be as accurate. I've done multiple testing, you guys. I've reached out to other YouTubers. I've tried to do as much as I possibly could, but all in all, for me, it wasn't worth it. So I thought at least on the table, you could figure out, you would have a stopping point where, like, if I'm gonna run the same thing and go, there is no way to find it unless you keep hitting the button to track it. So that table, you can't just go in the program and know where that table is. You have no idea where it is. It just made things more difficult, and it wasn't what I was expecting. I was kind of disappointed. Now, yes, it can do the crystal and everything, which is awesome. That is a great thing to add to anyone's business. But I also don't have a huge demand for that. I have a lot of plastics that I do for medical companies, and now I'm getting into more leather with leather gloves and other such. So in that aspect, the table was a huge disappointment. Yes, I can use it for the rotary and the glass, that's all fine, but you're not as, I don't know, I'm trying to be honest, but also, like, I don't want to have the company be mad at me or anyone else that bought it, because just because it's not working for me doesn't mean it's not going to work for someone else. This has been the machine for me. This has been perfect. It has a really big working area for me. That's all I need, and it just to go. I have all my jigs set up. The other one has an autofocus. I wish they had autofocus and the laser focus. For the simple fact, you start doing rotaries, there's a lot of stuff that I just, like, I think they rushed it, and I think if they'd have taken their time, that laser would have been number one. Like, it would have taken hands down on a lot of things. Now, at this video, I do not know if they've done an update. I have not been in the laser stuff for, well, it would be just coming up on 2 weeks. So they could have done an update by now, time you see this video. But last time, 2 weeks ago, and for how long now, I've been messing with it. I just had to take it off my main display and move it over there. So it is what it is. I am not going to get rid of it. I'm going to save it. I want to see if they come out with more updates and see what we can change on it. And I'm going to reach out to them after the first of the year and see what I can help with. So all that aside, I am doing awesome, you guys. I really hope everyone else is doing great. This has been just a blessing for where my business is going and what I've been doing, and I can't complain whatsoever. I really hope all of you guys are doing well. I have a Patreon group also, and it's $6 a month, and we do a live every month, and it's great. There's also a one-on-one in there for $50 a month, and you get the live. But I see a lot of those people taking off in strides, and to me, that is the coolest thing ever, and I am just excited and just ecstatic for them, because I know what it's like, and I still remember, and I won't forget. And because of this YouTube channel, it reminds me, and I keep going back to it. So I understand from all the comments I get from all of you guys on where you're at and where you're going. And it's really cool to see everyone start out. And I know the people starting out, you want to be up there right away where we are, and it's not doable. Like, you get those unicorns that it happens once in a while, but take your time and do it. It's worth it. I mean, obviously, look around. It's 100% worth it. I have a part-time employee now that's been steady, and it's been awesome. It's been a game changer. I should have done this a long time ago. The only thing is with that is I wanted to start doing daily vlogs, and I can't do that. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do the daily vlogs to just put it in. And maybe I'll do it Mondays, but Mondays are my heavy, like, bidding on stuff for people, answering emails and so forth. So it'd be a short window, but better than nothing. I really want to keep scaling my business, but also I want to keep track of all of it on here, because my kids can look back and I can look back, and we can reflect on all this and where I came from. Because the other weekend, my wife and I were sitting down and we were talking about this, and what's really cool is how we started in our basement and to where it's out here, and I'm the only one running it now. Well, and I have the part-time employee, but it's cool to see it because I remember where it came from. I still remember the first day I started. So if you think you're not capable or to do anything, whether it's sewing, whether it's printing, whether it's laser, like anything, if you don't think you can do it, you're wrong. If you want to do it, go do it. But it's all up to you. It'll work if you want it to work. And you'll build something great if you just want to do it. But you have to do it. No one else can do it for you. And if someone does do it for you and lays out the print for you, you're going to fail. I've seen that too. And I won't do that. I just want to encourage people to go out, get the stuff done, talk to people, tell them what you're doing in your basement, in your garage, whatever you're doing. Don't be afraid to talk to people about it and go after the business. There's a lot of local people that want to do stuff with local people. They don't want to buy stuff online. And it's changing. The world's changing big time and fast. So the business is out there. Anyone can do it. Get on it and keep going. Dude, it's awesome. It's a ride. It's a freaking ride. I'll tell you that. And it's worth it. There's a lot of downs, but there's many more ups than there are downs. So if you guys like the channel, give it a thumbs up. I haven't said that in a long time. Weekly vlogs coming. I am going to do it on Mondays. I will try to figure something out. Or, no, I'm not going to do it Fridays. I'll do it Mondays. I already bought the stuff, so I can have I have a chest one for the GoPro, and I have a hat one, or a head and helmet thing, whatever, too, on my hat. So if you guys want to keep watching, that should be coming weekly. And let me get stuff figured out, but I got you. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.